there, tech enthusiasts. Have you ever wondered what it would be like to have a digital assistant that adapts to your every need, personalizes your experience, and even gets emotional with you? Well, that's exactly what I set out to discover with Microsoft Copilot. So buckle up as I share my rollercoaster journey with this innovative yet flawed tool. I first came across Microsoft Copilot while searching for a solution to streamline my workflow and improve productivity. I was particularly excited about its promise to personalize interactions and adapt to different conversational styles. I thought, finally, a digital assistant that can keep up with my diverse needs, but as I dug deeper, my initial excitement began to wane. Let's dive into some real-world scenarios. First up, I tried Designer GPT to create visuals for a project. Despite the bot repeatedly claiming that the image was ready, it wasn't. Whether due to misinterpreted prompts or slow internet speeds, this was a significant letdown. Next, I explored its ability to generate outlines for presentations. While it could create basic outlines and edit details, it couldn't craft an entire presentation, which limited its usefulness. I then tested Copilot's real-time data capabilities by asking for updated statistics and insights. This feature worked brilliantly, providing accurate and timely information. However, when I asked the bot to perform simple tasks like generating basic images, it failed miserably. These inconsistencies highlight the tool's potential and its significant gaps. How does Microsoft Copilot stack up against its competitors? In terms of customization and tone adjustment, Copilot is impressive. The ability to personalize the bot and receive tailored responses is a standout feature. However, the high cost of Copilot, especially given its performance issues, is a major drawback. Competitors like ChatGPT offer more reliable performance at a lower price, making them a better choice for budget-conscious users. When it comes to integration, Copilot struggles. For instance, its functionality in Excel is limited to basic table operations, and it often mishandles image insertions in PowerPoint. In contrast, other tools offer smoother integration with various applications, enhancing overall user experience. Imagine this: a dynamic animation showing Copilot's various features, interspersed with real-time demonstrations of its performance. High-quality graphics summarizing key points can make this technical content more engaging. For instance, a visual comparing the cost and features of Copilot against its competitors could effectively highlight its drawbacks. To provide a broader perspective, I spoke to other users and experts. Jane, a small business owner, shared her frustration with Copilot's slow response time and emotional responses. She found the tool distracting rather than helpful. On the other hand, Mike, an IT professional, appreciated Copilot's ease of implementation but was disappointed with its integration issues. I want to hear from you. Drop a comment below on what tools and features you want to see tested next. Your feedback helps me tailor my reviews to your needs, ensuring I cover the most relevant aspects. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to subscribe, share this video, and follow my ongoing series on AI tools. Stay tuned for my upcoming reviews, where I dive deep into different tools, highlighting their strengths and weaknesses. These recurring reviews give you a reason to come back and stay updated on the latest and innovative AI tools. Let's keep it light. Imagine Copilot as a quirky sidekick that's sometimes more of a hindrance than a help. Its emotional responses can be endearing or annoying depending on your mood. But hey, at least it keeps things interesting, right? In summary, Microsoft Copilot shows promise with its customization options and real-time data capabilities. However, significant performance issues, high costs, and integration challenges can't be overlooked. While Copilot has the potential to be a game changer, it currently falls short of my expectations. If you're considering using it, weigh these factors carefully before making a commitment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.